Hold up.
Hey, okay, so I am about to dive into Canva right now, and this is where I just love Canva. This is my really fun zone where I just love this client work whenever I have to do graphics. I'm going to show you how to do an eye-catching graphic with Canva. There's tons you can do with Canva. You can do invitations, you can do lead magnet design, you can do opt-in pages, you can design um, course pages, sales pages, you can do anything. But Canva is really, really fun way to design social media graphics. So I'm going to show you exactly how I do it. It's going to take you a little bit longer when you're first starting to do graphics just to get a feel for how everything works, but play around with it and find your own style too. And I'll just show you exactly what I do. So social media. So when you go into create a design, you'll see there's a size for Facebook ad, social media, Facebook post, US letter. They're already um, kind of the size is there, the pixel. Pinterest graphic. I'm going to just do a simple social media, which is it's really good size for Instagram and Facebook. So these are the ones I do the most. Okay, so this is where you can title your file so that you don't lose it right here. Fun quotes for Insta. All right, done. Okay, so that'll come up after in your folders and you're saved. So the great thing about Canva is you can copy the same page that you're working on. If you want to switch out, if you're making a template and you want to switch out stock photo and you want to add different font, but you don't want to lose the logo, you can just really easily copy a page. You can have up to 30 pages on one file of graphics. So these are templates. If you're not really, comfortable with designing right away and seeing what fonts match each other and everything like that, that's okay. You can just go and click on a template and that works. You can just change out the photo, but I'm going to show you how to do it in a custom way so that you don't have to say that you're using templates, and it's so easy. So you can go to uploads here and okay, so I have photos already uploaded, but you can find photos on free stock photo websites. I use pexels.com. Okay, you can just find any sort of, and these are the photos that you can use that are free for commercial use. So you're not going to be, they're free, but you can use them for um, anything basically, and you're not going to get in trouble with any copyright laws or anything like that. So you can do like a sunset. All right. I'll do it really fast. I'll even show you. It's so easy. Okay. So right here, this one's really pretty, right? Let's say you want to do a motivational quote. You go save image. I like to save on my desktop, but you can save anywhere you want on Dropbox. You can save on your Google Drive, but I like to work with my desktop. I have a lot of memory on my computer, so that's okay. So you go to uploads, upload your image. I did a sunset right here. Okay. So for clients, clients really like it when you put their logo in the bottom right hand corner. Or left, whatever looks good, but they like having their logo on there or their website or both. Okay, so you just stretch it out. This is like a super fast. All right. Okay. And then you can do your text, right? Inspiring quote. Okay, let's do an actual quote. Let's do a little cute one. Be inspired. There. Okay, so this is the fun part. If you want to change fonts for the whole phrase, you can do that. All the fonts are here. You can upload your own fonts with the paid version of Canva, which is really cool. You can go through all the fonts. It's really like they have a lot. They have a lot of cool ones. Let's try that. Okay, that one looks cool. You want to make sure that it's clear enough to see, that nothing really gets in the way of it. I would say if you want it to kind of meld into the photo, then you can make it white in this particular photo because it pops more, right? But if you want to put a shape behind it, like what the style now is that a lot of social media posts, people like putting shape like that, the clear kind of transparent shape behind the words. So we can do that. So go into elements, shapes. You can do a simple square, right? And then you can make it even stretch like that. I always think that looks cool. And you click on arrange and you can go behind it, right? And right like that. Okay, and then you go to this little grid and you fade it out. Awesome, right? I mean, it's really cool. And then you can go right into upload your logo, whatever client logo, or if the client doesn't have a logo or they don't want their logo on there, you can just put a little clientwebsite.com, stretch it out, change it to white. There is an eye-catching, really simple, super simple. I want to put it here. Super simple social media graphic that you can do as a beginner. You can do, it was this, so maybe you want to do a thinner one, right? There. Don't like that one. Oh, you play around with it, This one looks a little too, I like this one. Nice. Okay, there you go. Then you click on download when you're happy with it. You can even remove you don't have to stretch it all the way out. That's how it looks, right? You can change the shape. You can make it into, you can have round corners, square corners. You can have a circle. Really cool. But that's eye-catching. I love it. And it's simple. And then once you get comfortable, you can start layering and have fun. This is the really simple one. I'll show you a more complicated one in another video.